Hi guys, it's Nunu and we are in week 7 in modules, March 18th through the 24th. Before I go into what we have to do this week, let me remind you that I keep Conf4Zoom, and Conf4Zoom is right here on the left menu. I keep Conf4Zoom and office hours in general classroom building 210D from 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays except for holidays. And I'm also available in the inbox. You're never ever bothering me if you email me. You're never emailing me too much. Email me as many times as you need to if assignment directions are unclear to you. Okay, I really care about your learning. Okay, so what are we doing in week 7? We have discussion 5A. We're preparing for our essay about student-posed obstacles to student success and an MLA quiz. Okay, once again, let me remind you that our research paper topic is what is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? And we are working on the research paper now. Okay, if you have any questions about my workshopping the essay policy, what it is we're doing, please click on this video here, and it will explain that to you. All right, so as you know, modules is our Bible to the classroom. It contains all assignments and class readings. I can click on modules here in the left menu to get to week 7, or I can use the handy link I've created here. I'm going to use this link, and it will take me into week 7. And here we are, our to-do list for week 7, discussion 5A, and then we have a quiz on the ellipses and brackets. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow and get us back into home. We are here listening to my week 7 message from Nunu and viewing it. And once again, let me remind you that I keep Conf4Zoom and office hours. Here is the time, the days, and the location. And here is Conf4Zoom here. And I'm in inbox. All right, let's have a great week.